Hey everyone, I'm came with another awesome video. Alibaba launched Qwen 3.8 Max 2-3 days ago and it will get awesome response from everywhere in research, in coding. Initially, everyone making fun about this line. Second only after Fable, but after testing it, everyone convinced that Qwen is the contender of Anthropic. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. You everyone know that in Qwen.chat.ai you can get access in the browser, but in today's video, I'll show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code in officially way, not from any API or using any external website. During launching Qwen, it will mention that with a massive 2.4 trillion parameters, this model is continuously evolving and we believe it's one of the most powerful model available today, compatible to leading frontier AI models second only to Fable 5. You don't have to wait to test it. Just now Qwen 3.8 Max preview is available in Qwen.ai. I'm hoping that you everyone and test Qwen 3.8 Max. If not, then I'll suggest you to test it. It is one of the awesome model that I have used. Here Qwen 3.7 Plus, Qwen 3.7 Max and Qwen 3.8 Max preview is available in chat.qwen.ai. If you want to use it in browser, you can easily use it. You don't need any other way to use it in browser. But most of you want to use inside the Visual Studio Code, then I am here to show you. Before showing it, I'll make you clear one thing. This is not in the agentic form. You can use it inside Visual Studio Code like as browser form, not in agent mode, but it will be easy to use inside Visual Studio Code. You can use it in one tab here. Then how you can use it? Go to the extension section and search for Qwen. This is the official extension of the Qwen. First you need to install. After you have installed it, it will be reflected at the bottom left corner. You can see Open Qwen will be reflected here. After you have installed, it will be reflected. If you not install, nothing will be here. Restart extension, you can see nothing will be here. If you install it, then it will be reflected here. Open it, click on here, you can see Qwen Studio. Wait, if you are using it for the first time, then you are unable to use it here like this. First you need to install extension, then pop-up window will be here, then it will ask to log in. You need to log in using your email address. You can use any email address and it will ask to verify. If you are authenticated with Facebook, Google, Qwen, Alibaba, then you don't need to worry about it. Your data is secure. Then only you can able to use this Qwen Studio. After you have complete this process, then choose Qwen 3.8 Max here. This is the way that you can use Qwen 3.8 Max. I want to give one simple task here. Here I will mention build a modern image to PDF converter web application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Requirement is simple. Everything must be inside single HTML file. Do not use any backend. Allow selection one or multiple image. Support drag and drop. Display image preview before generating PDF. Allow removing individual image. Automatically fit each image to an A4 size, support both portrait and landscape mode, generate and download PDF, clean modular JavaScript with comments. After it will complete its tasks here, you can easily copy it from here and paste it in your any file that you are currently using inside your Visual Studio Code. Similarly as Visual Studio Code, you can also use it inside your anti-gravity as well. Due to the high traffic, Qwen 3.8 takes little bit time to generate. It will think, it will prepare, it will plan, then only it will start to code. Currently, only one thing complaining about Qwen 3.8 is timing. It will take little bit more time, but don't worry, it will generate awesome output. I have already used it. Let's wait until it will complete, then I'll get back to you. After so much long time, it will start to code. After it will complete, you can easily copy it and paste it in your any file, or you can easily download it from here and import it here. This is the only way that you can get access Qwen 3.8 Max currently. There is no any way that you can use in agentic form. Currently, it will return nearly 1300 line of code in single HTML file. I'll copy it, I'll paste it, and I'm going to run it here. Okay, this is the web app which will convert image to PDF. Hover effect is also working. Drag and drop image here or browse from your device. I'm going to select 2-3 images from my device. I'm going to copy these two images. Both of these images has different size. You can see before it will converting image into the PDF. First it will preview it. From here you can easily remove any of this image, and if you want you can also add image, and from here you can set it at auto mode, portrait mode and landscape mode. Currently I am selecting it auto mode, which means it will automatically takes its default size. Generate PDF is ready. Save it, it will download. Here you can open it. This is the way that you can build any of this web app, Android app using Qwen 3.8 Max inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding, bye bye. We will meet you on the next video.